means she's in love with the king.
What are you talking about? Bergens don't have feelings.
Well, maybe you don't know everything about the Bergens. Now let's go. Guys!
Toby! Celebrate good times, come on!
It's a celebration.
There's a party going on right here.
No! There is not a party going on right here. The sooner we get you guys out of here...
The sooner we can save Creek.
What?
Hello? Is it me you're looking for?
I know you're looking for the cupcakes and rainbows here, but let's face it, Creek's been eaten.
They put him in a taco.
It was horrible!